still, because I can, like, the letters are coming through here.
Oh, from this far away now.
Yeah.
Well, that's much further than before. I remember your head had to be up close.
Oh yeah,
so.
yeah. Like
This is on the future visit. So this was a few days ago when she came in and she couldn't read even up close. Now she can read from further away. I think after the last visit she was a little bit closer here, but now she's much further back.
Yeah.
Your vision's coming back.
So it is coming back, and like this one like gets a lot better faster.
Yeah.
So like together I can see.
With your two eyes combined.
With my two eyes combined,
you have
I
much
can
better
see.
ability,
Because before I couldn't even, like with both of them, I was still just like squinting and trying to make it work, and it was not.